How to check if someone is spying on your iPhone. Is someone secretly tracking your iPhone right now? In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to check for hidden spyware, tracking apps, and unauthorized access to your device. Let's find out if your iPhone is being monitored. First, you want to check for unknown profiles or device management. Spying or monitoring apps often install configuration profiles that allow remote access. So you want to go into settings, and in settings, we go down and tap on general, then tap on VPN and device management. In here, if you see any unknown profile or management certificate, tap on it and select remove profile. Now most personal iPhones won't show any profiles at all, like this one here. If you see something suspicious, that's a red flag. Next, on your phone, open up the phone application and type in star, asterisk, and then the hash key, and then 21 hash, and then tap on the call button. Now in here, check for anything that has been enabled, such as call forwarding. You don't want anything to be turned on or enabled, so go down the list here and make sure all the services in here are disabled, because all of this allow the calls to be forwarded to someone else, which allow them to spy on you. Next, we need to review app list for hidden or unknown apps. Spyware can be disguised under generic names like system update or data sync. So the step is to go into settings, and we're going to scroll down and tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now in here, you want to scroll down and carefully review the full app list, even ones you don't recognize. And if there is a suspicious app, you want to tap on it, and then if you don't use it, then simply delete it. So for example, this one here, if we don't use this one at all, you can tap on delete app and then tap on delete to remove it from your device. Now the real iOS system apps cannot be deleted or renamed, and anything pretending to be one is fake. Next, in the dynamic island at the top here, you want to check for any light indicator. So usually there is a green light for camera. So if you turn on the camera, there is a green light. So if there is any app trying to access your camera, you will see a green light appear at the top here. If any app try to use the microphone to listening to your sound, then you can see there is an orange light. If there is any app trying to record your screen, like this one here, when it is recording your screen, there will be a red dot at the top here. So look for any lights that's trying to indicate that it is accessing some form of recording or listening to your microphone. So you want to make sure it is off. There is no light at the top here, right next to the camera. Next, we want to check the battery for any suspicious behavior. Now the spy app often run in the background, which drains the power of your battery. So if you go into settings and then tap on battery, and from here we're going to look for battery usage, and then scroll down and view your battery usage. You see if there is any app trying to use the battery. Now on my device here, I do not have any apps shown because I have just rebooted the device. I only have the App Store. But if there are apps that is unknown, or usually is using high background activity, such as location or system services or analytics. So if it is unknown, simply try to delete the app. So by looking at the graph here at the top, you can see which app is using up a lot of the battery. Another thing that you may want to check is location sharing and access. The spy apps may track your live location through Find My or third-party apps. So if you go into settings And then we go down and tap on privacy and security. Then we go into location services. In here, scroll down and just check or review all the apps in here. Now you want to scroll through each app and make sure only trusted ones have always or using while permission. So for example, App Store, if App Store is trusted, you can choose while using the app. And some apps will have always. If there is an app shows always, you want to switch it off if it looks suspicious and you don't know what app it is. Next, if you go to the top and tap on Share My Location, you want to ensure it's not shared with anyone suspicious. So if it is shared with other device, you want to share with someone else, you want to turn it off. Okay, after that, we go into settings. Then we go to the top and tap on your account name. In here, we go into your Apple account and scroll down the list here and look for any of the devices that is not known. If there is a device that you don't know who it belongs to, there could be a device that's spying on you. So you want to remove it from the list here. For example, if there is an iPhone right here, it's added to your list. You don't know which device it is. It could be a device that is actually spying on you. So you want to go on here and tap on remove from account to remove the device from your account. If later on you find that it is a trusted device, you can always add it back in. Next, we want to check for screen mirroring or device access. So go into settings, and in settings, we scroll down and tap on general. Then we go in and tap AirPlay and handoff, or AirPlay and continuity. Now they changed the settings name here. And from here, you want to make sure AirPlay isn't connected to an unknown device. Here you want to also scroll down. At the top here, swipe down and open up the control center and look for the screen mirroring icon. It should not be active unless you turn it on. So here you want to make sure it is not screen mirroring to another device. And make sure AirPlay isn't connected to an unknown device as well. Next, we go into settings, then scroll down and tap on apps. And then we scroll down and then tap on phone. And in here, scroll down to the codes section. In here, you want to make sure your code is not forwarding to another number. So tap on code forwarding. Now, if it is turned on and if there is code forwarding to another number, you want to make sure it is turned off and removed, because if it is forwarding your code to another number, then someone else could spy on your code. And we don't want them to spy on us, so we can simply turn off code forwarding. If they're text forwarding, you also want to turn off text messages forwarding as well. Now, it is also a good idea that from time to time that you regularly change your password from your Apple ID. So you go to your settings and then we tap on your Apple ID and then go into sign in and security and change the password. That is for your safety and security. That is a good idea to change your password regularly. And if you suspect there is a deep spyware on your iPhone, you can go ahead and try to reset all settings. You can do that by going into settings. Then we scroll down and tap on general. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset. Then tap on reset all settings. And then enter in your passcode to proceed. Alternatively, you can also erase all content and settings. So this will allow you to reinstall apps and erase everything and then reinstall apps again freshly and new to your device. Now, if you have a backup and if it is suspicious, do not try to restore from them, because basically you're just restoring backups and files and malware that has already been infected with spyware. So do not try to restore for a backup that you're suspicious that it already has spyware on it. And lastly, If there is a spyware and you cannot remove it, for extreme security, you can try lockdown mode. So go into settings, and in settings we go to privacy and security. So in here we tap on privacy and security. Let me find, it should be in here somewhere. So we go down and tap on privacy and security. Then we scroll down and select lockdown mode. So here it is. So lockdown mode, and you want to turn on lockdown mode. So once this is turned on, then this will disable risky web content, message links, and connection requests. It is ideal if you suspect targeted spyware. Okay, so for extra tips, always keep your iOS updated. Apple patches spyware exploits really fast. Don't click on unknown links or install apps from outside the App Store. Always use two-factor authentication for your Apple ID, and only install a trusted security scanner like Norton Mobile Security for iOS for extra checks. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.